Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload a customer list in Google Ads. This is incredibly useful when you want to target specific audiences with your campaigns, whether you're retargeting existing customers or reaching out to potential leads you've collected. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your account. Locate and click on the Tools option. This section houses a variety of powerful features that help you manage and optimize your campaigns more effectively. Once you click on Tools, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. Now, look for Bulk Actions in this expanded menu. Bulk actions allow you to make large-scale changes or uploads to your account without having to do everything manually, which saves you considerable time and effort. When you find bulk actions, the menu will expand further from these options. Click on Uploads. This is where you'll be able to import your customer data directly into Google Ads. Under the Uploads section, you'll notice a blue plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new files to your account. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, you'll be directed to the Upload Spreadsheets menu, where Google Ads will guide you through the upload process. Here, look for the Select Source drop-down menu. This drop-down allows you to choose the file type you wish to upload for your customer list. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Upload a File option and will specifically be adding a CSV file, which is a common format for storing contact information and customer data. Once you've selected the Upload a File option, a link will appear prompting you to select your file from your computer. Click on this link and the File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. From here, navigate through your folders to locate the CSV file that contains your customer contacts. This file should have all the relevant information you want to import into Google Ads, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or other contact details. Click on the file to select it. After selecting your file, click the Open button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. The upload will start immediately, and you'll see a progress indicator showing that your file is being processed. Depending on the size of your file, this might take a few moments, so just be patient and let the upload complete. Once the upload finishes, your customer contacts will now be added to your Google Ads account, ready to be used in your targeted campaigns. And there you have it, you've successfully uploaded your customer list to Google Ads, giving you the ability to create highly targeted campaigns that reach the right people. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.